Welcome to Office Central India. In this video I am going to teach you about how to use Hrms module in Office Central software. So this is our home page having HR module. This Hrms is Human Resource Management System. Okay, initially we need to do some configuration settings. In that configuration settings, the HR module onboarding is first tab. It's having what are the things is going to do in this HR module. So first one is effectively manage your company most important asset is staff from anywhere you are, and increase your productivity and reduce manual work and save your time in the human resource management. And you can able to do manage your staff profile and information, and manage your staff leaves and applications, and staff attendance, staff movements, course management, and you can able to generate the reports and dashboard as required. So these are the things you can do by using this Hrms module. So first thing is settings. So in this settings is all about company time in and in time out. So normally in India we are having some standard time is 9 to 6, right? So this is about the settings. So next one is approver settings. So approver setting is like you set the approver for particular staff. For example, the staff is Surain. I am going to set the staff approver. So already leave approver is Balakrishnan. The staff is the leave approver for particular staff Surain, and like that you just clicking the add approver, and you choose the approver level, and you choose the approver of the staff, and create an approver. For approval, this is for movement approver. So this is the approval setting and shift setting. So shift setting, you can create first the shift groups, like so the different project the peoples are working, you can setting the depends upon the project. You can set the shift group by clicking the add button. So this is the group name and the time zone, what are the projects they're going to working, maybe it's American projects or any American time zone or African time zone, and group attendance recorded by is time in or time out or total working hours. That settings for select for individual staff or particular department. For the, so some of the department working for shift timing was different, and some of the different departments working in shift timing was different. So depends upon that you can choose the shift group and shift timing setting. So this is all about shift settings. Departments. So normally organizations are having a different departments like HR department, finance department, administration, business development department. So depends upon the department you can add. So by clicking the add button, you can add different departments. So like field sales is like your department. The sales we are doing in field. So the parent department is business development BDR, right? So you can create the departments like this. So your company having the various departments, right? So finance and administration is HR department is the parent department is administration and finance, and field sales is business development is the parent department. So this is the department settings and designation. So designation settings is having a lot of designations: HR manager, HR executive, HR recruiter, sales manager, sales executives, salesman, business development executive, accounts executive. So various designations there. So you company having various designation, you can add the designations here by clicking the add button. So this is the designation. And job classification. Normally we can divide it into three types. One is top management, manager level, and executive level, and training level. So top management is management people, the CEO level. Manager is the project manager, like that. Executive is business development executive or sales executive or customer executive. So and trainee level is in some of the intensive training given to the candidates. So these are the job classification settings. Movement category is like you moving outside the office. So it's for the company purpose, sometimes not for the company purpose. So you can depends upon the creating the categories like company purpose or time off, like that. So you can create the movements category. And discipline, it's like violation type. If a company having a set of rules and regulations, maybe the staff violated the rules and regulations, that type of violations you can create it here. And here you can add the violation actions. So you can add the action will be taken by the management for against that violation doing by the staff. So these are the discipline settings. So these are the basic settings before you going to access this HRM software. First one is staff module. Staff module is very simple. You just going to add all the details about your staff. For example, just clicking add button. Here having here you're going to add the staff profile picture, the picture of the staff, by clicking adding, uploading the picture, and name of the staff, and staff number, staff identification number, date of joining, and who is the supervisor, and has overtime or not, that this particular staff having overtime or not, and job type, job status. So it's all about the staff information, like everything, you staff contact details, parents, and children's education, and experience details about the staff. So once you finish one by one, you can finish all these tabs. So these are details about your staff. So you can view list, and also you can view the organization chart. So who is the management, top management, who is the manager level. So the organization chart can be created like this. You can create the management chart. So This is the process of the staff module. And leave, so you can see your leaves, how many leaves you applied, and you can apply by clicking the apply leaves, and you can view the overall list of the leave views. So application, leave applications. So leave application is just like just clicking add button, and choose the staff, who are the staff going to take the leave, and what is the leave type, is the hospitalization leave or any other leave, and starting date, ending date, and reason of the leave can be added here and save. So this is the just like in the leave, if I am the staff, I am going to apply the leave, means my leave is going to apply leave. So I am going to apply the leave. So just choose the leave types, and address to contact, and reason of the leave. So how many days I am going to take the leave. So it's apply, and it will be approved by my manager, my supervisor. So this is like leave applications. And leave entitlement settings is like your company having some entitlement for the leave, for the particular staff having some annual leave, medical leave, and some unpaid leave. So you can set the leave entitlements. So if staff going to apply the leave, depends upon the entitlement setting, the leaves given, leave allowance given to the staff. So particular staff, the annual leave will be 10 days per year, like that setting we initially do. So depends upon that staff will apply for the leave. And this is all about leave settings, leave apply and leave setting. And you can view the supervisees view. So your supervisees, so you can view the leaves of your supervisees, apply the leaves, and you can view the leaves, you can approve the leaves. And courses, so course is like you creating the course by clicking add new, like course name is internal staff training. So contact person is some of the staff in your office, right? And contact number, you just give contact number, right? And description, soft skill training to internal staff. So who can apply? Allow staff can apply, yes, allowed. And internal staff or extra staff, it is an internal training, so I'm choosing internal staffs. So who are the targeted people, are prerequisites. So you can intimate here. Target people is obviously is the internal staff, right? And here the time, date, the internal training starting time is Monday. Time will be morning 9 o'clock. So time from 2 Monday 6, okay, 6 p.m. So 1 day training, location at office. So trainer is particular person from your company. Yes, okay. This is the course creation. Once you created the course, you can able to invite your staffs to attend this course. So now you see the internal staff training, the course details, and here you can see the details about the course. So action for applying, so by choosing the staff, and who all going to participate this training. You can invite and apply. So this is the process of course for inviting for the training for particular this course. So this is all about the course registration and the course applications. And attendance is simple. It's like check-in checkout process. So once you enter into the office, you open your system and you can check in. Otherwise, use your mobile phone. We having a Android application in Google Play Store. You just install and use that your user ID and password and log in and check in using your mobile phone. So you by switch on the GPS location tracking. So for that, once you check in, your check-in time and check-in address, everything will be reflected in your to your manager. So once you check in, your manager will be view the which time the particular stop will be check-in and which time the particular stop will be check-out. You can see. So this is the check-in check-out. So today is the date 15. I check-in. So I can see the details, the check-in time and location. So same like check-out. So you just check out. So by clicking the checkout will be reflected here, right? Checkout. So the checkout time will be registered and checkout location. So this is the sort of check-in and checkout. This is for tracking your employee attendance. You can view the supervisees and your personal attendance also, weekly, daily and monthly. So this is all about attendance, and this is about movements. So movements, you can see your movements, like you are going to meeting some person outside, and you can you going outside like you going to another branch of your company. So you can register the meetings and you can see your movement supervises. So you can view the supervises movements and also admin view. So you can view all the movements. So this is also about movement registration. So and another one benefit is these all modules having in the Android application. You can access by the Android application module. It's to using for check-in checkout process and your course registrations and leave applications can be applied by using the mobile phone Android application or as well as an iOS platform. We have available in Google Play Store also. So this is the process of HR management system. So in my future video I will focus on another module, payroll and accounting, finance. So already I focus on CRM and procurement, point of sale. So remaining models, and future video I will give the demo and I will show you the software how it works. So this is the video about today. Thank you so much for watching this video.